Hi guys, so we are actually on a trip. We're going up north and we're going camping. All our supplies in the back, and there's Mark there with his boonie. There's Cal driving, and that blue car up ahead is our buddies. We're going to go on an adventure. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye. See you later, Mark. You can go in the... Mark, but you're a fucker. Your salad, you poo. Salad tossing bastard.
Good morning.
morning.
Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Will I get to 10 subscribers?
By the end of it. You'll only find out if you go to vlog.callummitton.vlog.vlog.com.
If we get 20 likes on this video, we'll go play a round of golf.
In the sea.
That's how you end the vlog. They're high quality
It's
pixels.
a lovely day here in Arisig, our first morning
Expedition.
at camp. A little bit wet,
But there's nothing we can't handle.
Hey guys, welcome to the journey. We're journeying northbound to Fort Augustus. The journey is going to take approximately 4 hours, and I can't wait to sit here for 4 hours.
Can you tell us about your first night camping?
It was very exciting. Took a little dip this morning in the sea. It was very refreshing.
Welcome to Connor's Vlogs. It's not as nice a day today. Cal's doing some running. Mark's in the back there. And as you can see, it's a bit rainy outside. Yeah. Take it out the windy so you can see Loch Ness.
Take her for a spin, Connor.
Give me a wee bloody second, my bloody bud. What you saying? You saying your wankers?
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first vlog, and what I do is I just get high and tense. And I rate it.
Hi guys, just a quick update. This is us. We have Loch Ascent. Tell us how you are.
Great, mate.
He was great game. That's one of the performances. And they could also have a game too. Can they stop throwing shit at me?
Marseille in pre-season.
Yeah, no.
Fuck off!
This is Greg. He's the mastermind behind this operation. This is Jack. He's the co-mastermind behind this operation. Here's some of your wisdom. Like a tourist. He's not even in my country.